Okay, hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about one interview question in Java, that is difference between hash map, linked hash map and tree map. So let's begin the session. So I will go with the introduction first. I think most of us already know what is map and its uses, but let's iterate once. So what is map? Map is a key value data structure. One example is you can compare map with English dictionary. So this can be easily implemented with map. So here key is the word and then value is the meaning. So for example, if we see greeting, greeting will go as key in the map and then its meaning will go as value in the map. So what is the benefit of map? So maps are pretty fast for searching, insertion, remover, and contains key operations. So we'll go to the next slide. So here is the actual answer for the question. So what is the difference between hash map, linked hash map, and tree map? So this is the table that we must remember. So the first column is the properties, and then two and three and four columns explain you about the differences. So I will consider the first column, insertion order. If you see insertion order in hash map, there is no guarantee. And linked hash map, the insertion order is preserved. And tree map, elements are sorted according to the natural ordering of the key. And then we'll come to get, put, and remove contains key, these operations. So these operations in hash map have time complexity order of 1, linked hash map also order of 1, and tree map it's order of log n. Here order of 1 means all these operations take same amount of time irrespective of size of the map. So a map can contain 100 key values or 1000 key values, but these operations always takes order of 1 time. Here order of login means the time different the time will be differed when the map has many number of elements in it. So if n is small, then the time complexity is small, and then n is large, the time complexity also varies. This is similar to the binary search tree. Now let's go to interfaces. So map, hash map implements map interface, same as linked hash map, but tree map implements navigable map, also map and also sorted map. So null keys, are they allowed? Hash map and linked hash map, they are allowed, but tree map, they are not allowed. And if we come to implementation, hash map is based on the buckets. Buckets means nothing but it's array. Linked hash map, it's double linked buckets, and tree map, it's a red black tree, same like binary search tree, but with more advanced operations and then balancing and extra. And last one is synchronized. All this hash map, linked hash map, and tree map are not synchronized. This can be considered as a similarity. So if you want synchronized map, then you have to go for concurrent hash map or any other maps that are provided by the different libraries. So next we will go to the practical explanation only with respect to the order. I have created three maps: hash map, linked hash map, and then tree map. I'm inserting key value pairs into same key value pairs into all the maps. If you see hash map, I'm inserting key 1 value 1, key 10 value 10. Same for all the three maps. And then I'm printing the map, hash map, linked hash map, and tree map. I'll just run. Now you can see hash map. The insertion order is 1 1 10 10 2 2. But here you can see the insertion order is not preserved. 1 1 has come first and then 2 2 has come next. But actual insertion is 10 10. So with hash map, there is no preservation of insertion order. Now with the linked hash map, you can see whatever order we have inserted, the same order we are able to retrieve. So 1 is inserted first, 10 is inserted next, 10 comes next. Similar way. Now if you see the tree map, the insertion is 1, 10, 2, 5, 5, and 3, but they're all sorted based on the key. So in natural sorting, which means 1 comes first, 2 comes next, and 3 comes next. So this is the difference of insertion order in hash map, linked hash map, and tree map. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe.